reached Pahalgam, and this is the Pahalgam taxi stand from where you can book your taxi for the sightseeing. So we have booked for Aru Valley, Betab Valley and Chandanwari, and as you can see this eco behind. So for this vehicle the charges are 1900 for these 3 spots, and we will get approx like 1.5 hours, like it's 1 hour for each spot. This is the main Pahalgam taxi stand, and there's a rate chart available at the counter where you will find cost of travelling to the nearest tourist spots. Pahalgam is a popular hill station in Kashmir. Its lush green meadows and pristine waters attract thousands of tourists from all over the world each year. We are heading towards our first destination, Aru Valley. The Aru Valley is noted for its scenic meadows, lakes and mountains. It is a base camp for trekking to the Kolhoi Glacier and the Great Lakes. We are at the viewpoint and it is so amazing. This is Lidar River and the mountains. On the way, there is Aru Wildlife Sanctuary, which is home to various indigenous species of birds and animals. So we have reached our first destination in Pahalgam, which is Aru Valley, and it was drizzling a bit, but now it's so sunny. So outside vehicles are not allowed here. You have to hire a taxi on rent, which is there in the Pahalgam taxi stand. So you can book a taxi accordingly. But see this view, it is so awesome. We are planning to trek up the mountain, so let's see if we succeed in that. So as you can see, I am sitting on a log which is on the river Lidar. I am sure the water will be icy cold. So let's check out. Trekking our way beside the Lidar River. There's a trail, as you can see behind me. This is the trail. So we are following the river. Let's see where we land. Okay, so I think that there's a small stream here. We should take the way from. Okay, let's go from here. Crossed it. I've made this illusion out of these colorful stones which is there in the river. The colors are so vibrant and unique. I'm just awestruck. It's wonderful. There are many camping grounds in Lidar Valley where you can camp free of cost. Camping tents are available on rent too. We are done with Aru Valley and now we are going to Chandanwari. So as we are ascending, it's getting a bit chill and the weather is just awesome. I think it's rained or drizzled a while ago, so it's wonderful. Here, the sky is clear and it's all green around. So nice. We are crossing the small village. So I guess it's around 10 kilometers from here to Chandanwari. Chandanwadi and it's drizzling and super cold, so I'll wear my winter jacket just now. So I wore my winter jacket. It's cold and it's raining, so we will climb up the mountain. So guys, this is Chandanwadi. As you can see, the river is flowing down the mountains and there is ice over here. So this is the summer month, that's why there's little ice. During winters, it is entirely covered with snow and even the mountains are covered with snow. It is quite difficult here. Vehicles which were taken from Pahalgam, they dropped till stand. From there you trek up and now it is raining, and because of that it is so chill. My hands are literally freezing when I am talking to you. And one more important thing is that from Chandanwadi starts the Amarnath Yatra. So Amarnath is a holy cave which is visited by many Hindu pilgrims, and I think it's conducted annually. So this trek for Amarnath starts from Chandanwadi. The cave is around 32 kilometers from here. So enjoy the view with us. और इसका खरगोश का इसका कोई नाम नहीं है। हाँ, क्या नाम रखा है? मोती। मोती जैसा है। क्या खाता है मोती? Because it just rained, the snow is little muddy now. You can enjoy sledging and skiing here. Chandanwadi Glacier has a thick layer of ice all year round. We have reached the top of this ice and it is just awesome. I don't think the camera can do justice for this beauty. You have to come to Kashmir and Chandanwadi to experience this. After having fun time in Chandanwadi, we started our descent journey to the famous Betab Valley. This is the aerial view of Betab Valley. We have reached Betab Valley and just see the view, guys. And the weather, it is little bit chill, but then quite soothing and fabulous. The emerald blue water and the mountains behind. So we'll walk up this path. Here it is. We are in Betab Valley. The scenic beauty resembles that of a fairy tale. The water is calm and serene, flowing with its own music. This valley was known as Hagan Valley, but after the shooting of the famous movie Betab, this was named Betab Valley. Many other popular movies was also shot here. I have not seen the movie Betab, but do let me know in the comment section below if you have seen the movie. Nish, how are you enjoying this view?
It's awesome.
apple valley, and now the apples are not ripe, they are still green, but there are so many trees over here. You see, the apples are all hanging. Yum. It feels as if nothing can be more beautiful than this, but it just changes our mind as soon as we go to the next place, because it seems that the next place is more beautiful than the previous one. So in short, entire Kashmir is beautiful. You can't compare one place to another. I strongly recommend to you all to once come and experience Kashmir. It is worth it. If you like our series of Kashmir, then do like, subscribe and comment on our channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.